Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me, ma? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me?
This meeting is being
Yes.
recorded.
Good. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Fine. Good. Good. I am good too. Thank you. Let's see, sir. Okay. First, we will see what we have understood in the yesterday part and what we started. Like yesterday, we started one topic and we didn't finish it up. So we will just see one more time what we have started in that, and then we'll finish it that particular one which we started today. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Good. Yesterday we did one program. Okay. Yesterday we did one program, sir, and the program is regarding the fake store. Okay. Now let me run it up. The fake store one. We discussed property directives. That we will like. I will explain it one more time. Yesterday only I told you property directives. I will repeat it now. Custom directives we will actually discuss later. Okay. Now CD, Angular, CD, projects, CD, fake store, ng, serve, bash o. This is the application we did yesterday, sir. Okay. We did this application yesterday. In this application, what we have understood yesterday is, yesterday we understand three topics in this application. We have understood three topics in this. One is property directives. In this property directives, we discussed two things. One is called ng class, and another one we discussed ng style. Along with this, we discussed something called pipes, and we started the pipes. That's it. These are the things we discussed yesterday, ma. Okay, and I am gonna repeat it all of them one more time so that you will have a better idea what is what. Now, go here. Now, first, what is a directive, sir? A directives will change the control flow or DOM. Basically, directives are used to change the dynamic behavior of the DOM. Document object model, whatever is there, it will give dynamic behavior. Dynamic behavior bole to imagine one H1 is there. We can put that H1 or we can make that H1 disappear also. We can make that appear in the DOM or we can make it disappear in the DOM. How do you do that? Or we can even give different colors, we can even give different properties. All these things we can do by several properties. This all are called directives only. The first one we discussed is structural directives. the ng-if, ng-switch, ng-for. Now here in the case of ng-for, you can able to see I discussed something called ng-for here. Let P of products. Products is one array I copy pasted. Product is one array I copy pasted. You can see my TypeScript. Some products array is there from fake store. Right or not? Now this products array is coming it here. Till now it's fine, sir. Actually till now it's great. Now you just iterated all. You just printed all. Everyone understand it. No problem at all. What is the main thing we started is property directives. Property directives means using some properties you can able to change the dynamic behavior of term. What are those properties? ng class and ng style. ng class, what is the use? Dekho here, I write it here, ng class. What I give it here, everyone see it, ng class, arc is dark. You can give more also. I gave it only one class name. You can give it more number of. Now, is dark is a value. Is dark is a value. This value may be true or false. Imagine is dark is true. Just imagine is dark is true. What is the class name it will have? Dark. What is the class name it will have? So if dark will be added, dark class will be added, dark class will be added if is dark is true. What if is dark is false? Will there be any dark class? No. Go here. Right click. Inspect. Now see, every element, you can see every element is having product and dark. Right or not? See how many classes are there for every element? Product and dark. Now, what is the dark value? What is the dark value now? 2. What if I go here? I will say dark value is dark false. Can anyone tell me what will happen? Now, what will be the class values? Now, what will be the class values? Only product. Are you all okay, ma? Respond, Ray. Okay. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Now, we are having it only class names products. See? We are having only class names now. Products. If you see it here, product, whatever. There is no dark only. So that means dynamically you are adding it. Now, for this dark class, imagine I add some properties. For this dark class, if I add some properties like, background colors or style or something, that will automatically apply na? Based on this value. That is called ng class. Sir, you can do it with normal class also, na? Yes. But ng class is used for multiple elements. You can give multiple classes any time. Not only that, you can give style also, multiple styles also directly. That is called ng style. What it is called? ng style. Now in the ng style, you write it here font size and here is heading. If is heading is true, if is heading is true, what will be the font size? If is heading is false, what will be the font size? 24. Okay. Imagine you are getting a random data, sir. And in that data, if males are there, I wanted red color there. If females are there, I wanted green color there automatically. Are you getting my point, sir? That you can check it, na? This all can be done dynamically. To make the things dynamically happen, we will use something called ng class and style. Now, till now it's fine. Next, someone is asking it like, what is the difference between style in CSS and an ng style? See, style in CSS can able to have the normal classes, normal styles. NG style will give it dynamic styles like these conditions. When you write it style, you can't do this kind of things. Okay. When you write it style, you will not do all of this. You will do it like normally how you will do. It's like style, background color equals to red, font size equals to 20 pixel. Like that you will give. But here, this is different. This is like dynamically giving the classes, dynamically giving the styles. That is the difference between NG style and normal style. NG style is angular style. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? No. Next one, sir. Sir, we discussed one more concept which is called a pipe. Pipe is like normal pipes only. Now, by definition, by definition, by definition, by definition, pipe is used to transform the data. By definition, pipe is used to transform the data. Mahesh is asking the question, component directives and attribute directives are the same or different? Both are same. They are also called property directives. All are same. Now, next. See, for example, there is one pipe ray. You send one data input. It can give same input na? I am giving it two. It can give two only out. There is no point. It can give two. If you put it tap water will come out of the pipe as tap water only. That is one way. Or this pipe can do some kind of filter or something. It can make it as something good water. When I give two, it add one more thing and it'll make it as three. This is possible now, right or not? This is called pipe. The basic concept of pipe. Pipes are used to transform the data. Using the pipe transform method, you will understand what is that pipe transform method today. Now, pipes are given with something called pipe symbol. Can you see the symbol here? That is pipe symbol. Okay. You may call it as a straight, you may call it as straight line, something, whatever it is, but actually, if you call it in programming way, it is called pipe symbol. Now, how it will transform the data? Now here देखो, here p dot title is there. P dot title is there. Now go to your TypeScript. Now see, P means every time the product. Now, is the title is in capital letter? Is it completely in small letter? No. So it's like in camel case. Oh, sorry, capitalized case, kind of. And now this one, I want to turn completely into capital letters. Go here. If I write it here, P dot before printing, before printing, go for a pipe. That is what I'm saying it. Now, when you write it P dot title, what it will do, it should show on the screen. What is the title? But instead of showing it, first it will go to the pipe. It will give the P dot title to pipe. In the pipe, what it will do, it will convert all the letters into capital and then it will return the capital letters. And answer, everything will become automatically capital. You can see it. Answer, every product became automatically capital. But is it in capital original data? In No. Next. What if you want to say convert everything into small letter, lowercase? What if you wanted some kind of currency value? You will use something called pipe currency. If you see, actually here price is actually price is 109.95. Did it have any currency? Did it get any symbol? No. Now if you go here, if you write it here, if you write it here, currency. Now, what it will come if I give currency? Dollar. What symbol will come? Dollar. But if I wanted rupees, I can give some arguments. I can pass some arguments like INR. Then everything will be rupees automatically. Any doubts? Any doubts here? No. Now next. Next. There are 8 built-in pipes. Actually, pipes are two types. One is built-in pipe, another one is custom pipe. That means I can create my own pipe like Prasad. Okay. Now, first we are discussing something called built-in pipes. Built-in pipes. In built-in pipes, uppercase, lowercase, currency, uppercase, lowercase, currency, uh, what we can print, date, it prints date, date is used, sorry, date is used to transform the given date into specific format. Date is used to transform the given date into specific format. In our data, date is not there. Okay. Uh, I will create I will create my own dates here. I think most people knows this. For the people who don't know JavaScript, please understand it. And in case if you get it doubt also, please ask me. I am creating it here something called constructor. What is a constructor is constructor is a default function which will be called whenever a class instantiate. The moment class is getting called, automatically the first function which runs is constructor. People create the constructors to give default values to the variables. Okay. In case if you don't know, please understand it because we are doing everything in the classes concept only. Constructors are very important in future programs. Now, I'm creating one variable dt, which is of any data type. Now here, this dot dt equals to new date. If you write it here, something called the new date, sir. If you write it like this, If you write it like this dot dt new date, it will like to print. Oh, in constructor also we do have, in Python also you have constructors. That's nice then, perfect then. So that you will get it a better idea. Now, this dot date equals to new date. If you write it here, it will print the console log. It will give the current days. It will give the current date and time. Current date and time it will give. Now, how it will give, sir? देखो, console. Now, can you see your date and time? Friday, September 20, 2024, 8/2/20 GMT something something. But I don't want it to print it like that. Imagine I'm getting it the exact time. For example, you are ordering something. The moment you click on add to cart, at what time you click the add to cart, you should show. The moment you place an order, at what time, what date you ordered. Okay? Or something you ordered something, Swiggy or something. Exact time which you ordered, you have to show. These kind of things you will generate a date like this. Whenever someone click on add to cart button, you will generate some kind of date. Okay. And that date you wanna print it. Then you will write it here. If I wanna print the date, dt. If I print dt, what will happen, sir? If I go here, can you see dt printing? How it's printing? Is it looking good now? So to convert, you will write it here. Date. What is the date? Type. Then the moment you said it date, can you see here how much easily it converted? Any doubts, ma? No? No, sir. I don't want a date like this. I want a date like in a different format. Give yourself your format. Date. We'll take it like DD, MM. Sir, this dot DT means today date. See, you are getting it today date not because DT. You are getting it today date, exact time date because you write it here new date now. Because of this new date, it will create it exact time. The moment it runs the function, it will bring the time. Okay. Now go here. DD, MM, Y. No, capital M. Small d, capital M. Today is 20 only, right? So here I put the colon. If you don't like it, or chhod do this one. Are you getting my point, sir? Converting any date into any date kind of thing format is very easy. कोई doubt है, sir? You can even bring it here. Hours, HH, MM, SS. See this, sir. So you can convert the dates into anything. Devulapalli Kushal, whoever asking multiple cards, this NG for is responsible for multiple cards. Hope you all understand what is date, sir. Date is very easy. Okay. Now, next one, sir. Date. Now, dates. You can give format also. Now, you will write it here. Something variable, variable brackets here, date and colon. Here you can give format y dash m dash dd. Okay, you can give hh mm ss. I gave it my own date kind of format, which will print year first, month next, and then date. Your wish. Okay. Usually US people will put month first and then date next. Okay. You can try those kind of things. Next. JSON data. JSON pipe. Next. JSON pipe. I think we have decimal pipe. No. First we'll do JSON pipe. It converts. It converts given value of object, given value of object into JSON. It will convert the given value of object into JSON. Converts the given value of object into JSON. Object colon JSON. How? Go here. Imagine I have some object. Dekho here each and everything is object only, na? There are some times where you need to print the object. Imagine I'm printing one object tray. I'm printing one object. Name Raj. Age 50. Now, I want to print OBJ. How do you print OBJ? Very simple. You all will think it like go here, write it here, OBJ. It will print the object, right? Right or not? This is what we normally think. But if I go here, is it printing object? Dekho, is it printing how we wanted, right? It's not printing, sir. It is printing it something like object. But we wanted to print like the object name, each kind of thing, how it is looking. Now, all you do is put here JSON. If anyone knows JavaScript, they will understand this. This is similar to res.json. In fetch, you will do fetch convert the response into res.json kind of thing. The similar logic here. That can be done directly here. See, when you write JSON, how it is printing? It is a JSON format. JSON means JavaScript object notation, if anyone knows. That means, see, normal objects will have key value normally. JSON will have key value string. That's the only difference. Key also will be in string format so that no one can able to change anything. To convert an object into JSON, you will use something called JSON. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, sir? Now, Next. Next. Percentage. Percentage or decimal? Just a minute. Built-in pipes. Angular. Okay, we have percent and decimal both. Yeah, yeah. That's what I thought it. Okay, now let's discuss something called percent pipe. Percent pipe will give you percentage symbol. Simple. Now go here. Mm, A 50. Now here paragraph. Congratulations. Prasad to get a a discount. Now see this. I can do some CSS here. Class disk disk. Um, Someone is saying it like, can you please tell how we can connect this Angular application with Django? Listen, we will discuss how to connect and all. We will have one topic called services. What is the topic name? When I come to services topic, I will tell you how the front end Angular will be connected to the back end. Okay. Until that, we are just exploring basic Angular. Okay. Now, I'm just writing a simple animation. If anyone don't know animations, just show those. This is just a some kind of cherry on the cake. Okay. So 3 seconds is learn it to write your own animations. If you don't know, also no worries. Actually, you can have it online. So many things. Right. 0%. Absolute. 100%. Okay. Now, anyway, that is not the pipe which I wanna show you. I just did it for some kind of effect. Don't worry. Okay. So I'm just combining all the things. Why it is not showing it? I need to adjust some Choda CSS for that. Width 100%, width max content. Okay. Now let's go here. Okay. In the pipe, how do you do that, sir? Now here the problem is it is printing it. Why it is print? It is printing it 50 discount. Now 50, 15, slowly, and now the animation is not great. We can try it. Now here it is showing it 50 discount. Now, but I don't want 50 discount. I want it like 50 percentage discount. Not. Now, to get this, let's try this percent. Now, why it came 5,000? Eh? No. Integer digits 2 and fraction digits 0. Oh no, overload match calls. Huh? Argument of type. Now go here to get a discount. Why it's not there? Decimal representation options specified by a string in the following format. You have to give something like minimum integer digits. Minimum in number of integer digits before the decimal points. I said it too. That is okay. And here the minimum order of digits, fraction digits. And here maximum also I should give 2. You should put dot. Okay, the format is wrong then. The format is dot. Then it will take. Why it's not taking? In a string format, I just write it here percentage. 2 is the before minimum, 0 is the after, and then maximum 2. This is okay. Let's see an example here. A percent. Okay, whole thing. See, I did the same thing. Okay, whole thing is one string only. I gave it as separate strings here. Dash. Perfect. So now here three things you gave, ma. Understand it. Three things you gave, na. What is the first thing? First thing is before point minimum how many integers you want. Before decimal how many you want. Before decimal minimum one digit like 1%, 2%, 3%, something decimals. After the decimal, how many minimum you want? Zero minimum. Minimum zero you want. Zero you want. Now, after the decimal, how many maximum you want? Two you want. Maximum two you want. Like now that means you can give two, you can give 2.0, you can give 2.0, or you can 2.00. You can't give 2.001 because after point 3 it will become. After point maximum you said 2 only. Before decimal minimum is 1. Before decimal minimum, after decimal minimum is 0. And after decimal maximum is 2. Now that's a format, sir. Let's go here, sir. Let's go to my application, sir. Why it is not coming, sir? Congratulations, use Prasad code to get. Why it is coming 5,000, Ray? Does anyone will give 5,000 discount only? No, na? What is that married guy, Ray? Who wrote like this, Ray? When I give 50 percentage, I think I should give it something like 0.5. So, I think this one is this is only multiplying with 100. Okay, online someone gave it right answer. Very good. Nice. Good. Any doubts here? No? Now there are two pipes. One is asynchronous pipe. We will not discuss asynchronous pipes. In the services, I will tell you. When we come to services, I will tell you what is asynchronous pipe. It is used to convert the observables. We will discuss observable and all at that time. Okay. There is one more pipe which is called decimal pipe. There is one more pipe which is called decimal pipe. And after that, we will create our own pipe, whatever we like it. Percentage pipe is used to transform the given data to specific percentage. We will write this. It multiplies value with 100 and return with percentage in given format. Format is value 5%, and for percent you will give comma here. Minimum digits before decimals. Minimum digits before decimal. Minimum digits after decimal. Minimum digits after decimal. Dash maximum digits after decimal. This is how you should give. Then it will come perfectly. Clear? Doubts? No? Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Decimal. Decimal pipe. It is used to transform given integers to decimals. It is used to transform the given integers to decimals. Someone is asking what is val column percentage. It is just a syntax. This is just a syntax ma. Okay. Sir, not colon. This is column or not colon red dot only. Perfect. Excluding tax. I'm giving some tax here. 20, 20. Go here. Now, just a minute. That one is not coming nice only. Not bad. Why 20 came it? Why with the Okay, I gave it directly. Tax. Now next. Now, how do you give the decimal one? Go here. Decimal pipe. Decimal is taking it like number and how many digits you want. Sets the digits decimal representation. Okay. Same way. Digit decimal is also working in the same process. So let's go here. Let's write it here. Decimal. So I will go here. I will write it here. Tax. How many decimals you wanted before this? 2 minimum. How many decimals you want before 2 dot? How many minimum after the decimal? Minimum is 2. Maximum is also 2. Here you are passing it a pipe called decimal, and then you will give it. See this, sir. I am passing a pipe called decimal. No pipe named decimal. What is the name then? Decimal pipe is having a name called number. Oh, decimal pipe. We are giving it a name number. Simple. Let's give number. Go here. Go here. 20.00. But I want something like this 20.00 is there, na? I want percentage also. You know what I want? Percentage. So on this pipe, I will apply another pipe. This is called pipe chaining. Pipe chaining बोले तो one pipe, and after that whatever result will be another pipe. It's like connecting the pipes. One pipe output will go to another pipe input, and again that pipe whatever output will come, that is only will be seen in the screen. Now here, same thing I will give it here. It might become 2000, right? I know that. So by 100, which is 0.2. 20%. Okay. Any doubts, sir, here? I hope it's fine. Now there is one more pipe, asynchronous pipe will be discussed later. Async pipe will be discussed later. Now, second one, custom pipe. Sir, in place of decimal and number, we have to, in place of decimal, you have to write number, sir. That's it. You don't have, that is a decimal pipe only, but we will write it as number. That's pipe name is number. Now, next one, custom pipes. Custom pipes means you can create your own pipes. Custom pipes. We can create our own pipe to transform the data the way we want. To transform the data the way we want. Okay. Now, usually for validations and all, people do this. Okay. Now, let's try it, sir. How do you do that? Let's open this. Everyone see this command. Please see this commands, ma. This command are very important. I'm going into command prompt. See here, click on command prompt. Go to the specific folder, cd, Angular, cd, projects, cd, fake store, right or not? Now everyone see the command. How do you create it? Pipe ng generate. What is that? Generate will create. Ng generate with what will do, sir? Generate will create. Generate pipe and the pipe name. Pipe name bole to you can put whatever the name you like it. Uh, what pipe we can create, Ray? We can create a pipe for something like square, square or cube or something. Chota one. I will do it for some. I did a pipe called square. This is my own pipe only. Own pipe. Now, what is the name of the pipe? Square. Is there any default pipe named square? No. Now, what this pipe will do, sir? If you give a number, it will give it square. When you pass 5, it will give actually 25. It will not give 5. Clear? That's our motto. Now, I just click it. It's created. Can you see what it done? It created one file named it created another file called square.s, and it also updated module. Why? Everything you did module has to, you have to inform to module. That because here two is pipe.ts, another one is square.pipe.spec.ts. Spec.ts we will not use. Spec.ts is for testing. Very good. Now, only the file you will check it is square.pipe.ts. Go here. If you see your application inside the fake store, now inside the app, can you see here two more files are added? Can you see here two files are added? Now I will go to my TypeScript file. This is the TypeScript file. Now it will have something called @pipe directive. See, these are also called directives only. This is @pipe decorator. These are called decorators. This is @pipe decorative. If you see for component, you will have component decorative. Okay, for modules, module decorator will be there. These decorators will create it a class names. Now, anyway, go down. Name. What is the name? Obviously, now, can you see here? Export class square pipe implements pipe transform. Right? Does anyone remember implements बोले तो क्या है? Where do we use implements and all? TypeScript में बोली हमें. Interfaces. Someone named in the online Sai did it answer. Very good. Online so many people answered. Yogeshwar and all. देखो interfaces एक concept है. Now pipe transform is one interface. If you wanted one class to have one interface, you will use something called implements. What does it mean by interfaces? Is like it will give one format. What is this pipe transform will do? Pipe transform is a default interface. If you hover on it, see it will say pipe transform is a default interface. What is the use of this pipe transform? Actually, it has to take input and return input, na? That both are actually done by. This is the default one which will allow to take the things. Now, having one method called transform. If you want to use the transform, you will take this pipe transform. Now, transform method. Now, the transform method is taking two things. What they are taking value and arguments. Dot value to rest operator. You can put value or rest operator. Now, sir, value is the value you are sending it, sir. Original value you will send now. For example, I send 5. What is the output you will expect? Hey, we are doing square na. I gave 5 input. What is output? 25. 10 input. What is output? That whatever. And how do you return, sir? एक खाली सिंपल है. वैल्यू वो देता, तो वैल्यू इंटू वैल्यू हम रिटर्न करता. Right or not? Now, value is unknown data type. Who said unknown data type? It should be number data type. Simple. Now, what my method is doing? My method is doing, it is taking one value. What data type it is taking? Number. What data type it is taking? Number. And it is returning. It is returning by multiplying itself. Simple method, na? You can do this method, right? It's like normal method only. Normally, you will write one method. You will write one custom method. Right? Imagine you are writing custom function. But function will take it A and return A asterisk A. You can do that now so many times you read square. Same thing you are doing it in transform method. We have to change that unknown to some, whatever the data type. If you don't change that unknown to data type, it will not understand. Now, what is the return data type here? Number. Return data type is also number. We are not having any arguments till now. Okay. We are not having any arguments. Now, next, go here. Now, let's see whether it is working or not. Now, I will go here. B equals to 5. Now, I will go to my code and I will say the square of B is B pipe square. Is there any default square? No. Now देखो क्या आता. The square of 5 is 25. How it will come 25, sir? That square pipe is taking 5 and returning 5 into 5. खाली इतना easy है. Right or not? Right or not, sir? Now, why don't we write it with some, like for example, currency and date? It's taking some formats now. Now, why don't we do similar to that? Now, I will do one more pipe. This time I will do pipe for power. Power. What is the command? ng generate pipe name. ng generate pipe name. हो गया. Now this time power. What is this power, sir? You want to do power for 5, anything, I will give it. You give 2 and power, and automatically I will give result. Clear? Now, let's do it how we do. Now, this time, I will go to this power, not this spec, power.pipe. It's created. Now, value is number. They will give 2. Just imagine some example. Now, here arguments. You have to take some arguments here. Now, I will take one argument called A or power. Power value. I will take it something power value. Now, that is also number only. And I will return number only. And what is this? Here, what you will do? Math dot pow value comma power value. Value is 2. Value is 2. Imagine value is 2. Power value is 3. Imagine value is 2. Power value is 3. What is output? Any doubts? Any doubts? Is it clear? Now, sir, how do you give this power value, sir? Khali was simple hai. Now here I will write it here. The power of B with B is 5 na? So I am giving 3. B is B colon power. Now you are giving extra arguments. Power is the pipe name. Power is the pipe name. But you are giving extra thing na, extra argument na. How do you pass arguments to pipes? Colon. You did na currency, you did column only na. Now you are giving extra one. So 8 colon 3 because you are taking number value there. Okay, हो गया. Now you must have been thinking. If you think 1 minute, did you understand how did they write it the uppercase on their own? Can you write it like uppercase? Can you create it your own uppercase pipe? Uppercase pipe they created na. Default is there. Imagine it default is not there. Can you create it your own? Simple. You will take value taught to uppercase, to lowercase, convert to lowercase. Simple hai na? Now these pipes are so powerful. People think it's easy, but actually it's so powerful. Now let's go here. B dot power 3. Then what will happen, sir? Power pipe it will call and it will pass 3. Now I will go to power pipe. In power pipe, what it is doing? It is taking power value as 3. What is the value? 5. B value is 5 ray. So 5 comma 3. What is power? Math dot power 5 comma 3. 125. 125. That's the answer. Simple. Any doubts? Now देखो, it is running sir already. देखो, the power of 5 is 3 is 125. Simple. Right? Any doubts? No. Sir, here POW is a default built-in method. Yeah. Actually, for the people who don't know, in math, in JavaScript, there is default math methods. Math.pow, math.round, math.random, math.sqrt. Now you can write it a random OTP pipe. Okay, so many are there. Max, min. Even in Python, they are there. Yeah, these things are there. Okay. Now, this is the point, sir. I hope you all understand what is pipe. Okay. And pipes notes is already uploaded to the drive. In drive, we uploaded the pipe notes. You can just check it, the pipe notes, in case if you are getting it any doubts. Those things will be cleared it out. Okay. And if anyone wants a drive link, sir, if anyone wants a drive link, sir, if you go to my GitHub, I think everyone have my GitHub. In GitHub, I added something called drivelink.txt. If you go to this file, you will have it. Okay. That's it for today. And we'll meet you tomorrow for more concepts. Thank you all.